We are here at Bohol Enchanted. In here, you can find the butterfly garden and the tarsier in one place.
Ay, nice kaayo. This is a tao na nakadapa. Oh, here at Bilar Bohol Enchanted. There you go. Ayan ang paa niya. Yan. Yan. Okay. Nice view, guys. Talaga dito. Punong-puno tayo ng nature, guys. Puro nature. Ayan ang frog na nature. Frog, frog, frog. Froggy, froggy, froggy. And we're going to the buffet area. Buffet area ng Bilar Enchanted. Okay, let's go. Ang different area nila. So, pag bigay mo ng ticket mo, bibigyan kami.
Hello po. First stage po niya egg. Tapos, after ng egg is magiging caterpillar siya. Then after 7 days po, ma'am, ito po siya. Magiging cocoon. Cocoon siya ng butterfly.
Ay, cocoon.
Then after that, magiging butterfly na. Then ito siya, hindi siya butterfly. Isa siyang moon. Ito yung lumilipad paggabi. Oo. Kaibahan nila, iba yung antena. Tapos, ito yung pinakamalaking moon sa Pilipinas, si Mariposa.
Ay, siya si Mariposa.
Oo, ito yung kuko ni Mariposa.
Okay.
Tingnan natin yung preserved butterfly.
Sige.
There's the butterfly part.
Okay, group picture.
Group picture. Ito yung lalaki na butterfly.
Ay, lalaki.
Tapos ito yung babae.
Anong difference nila, man?
Yung wings po.
Ano mangyari sa wings niya? Anong...
Ito po, kay Dani.
Ready? In the name of Facebook and Instagram. 1, 2, 3. Love life.
Lights go down and the night is calling to me, yeah. I hear voices singing songs in the street, and I know that we won't be going home for so long, but I know that I won't be on my own. Yeah, I love this feeling right now. I wish you were here with me. 'Cause right now everything is new to me.
isa pang malaki doon. Yan. So, ito yung butterfly area. Ayun. Oh, wala. Doon yun, naglalarong butterfly. Hasikin natin sila, yun. Dito na sila sa atin. Sige na lang, tingnan lang natin ano ang mahagip ng aking camera. Kasi marami talaga sila sa paligid. Ito. Yan, may ibang itsura.
Hãy subscribe cho kênh Ghiền Mì Gõ để không bỏ lỡ những video hấp dẫn.